Hi and welcome to Creations by Meraki. I'm Jazz and welcome to my channel. So I just thought I would do an introduction video to start this channel off with just a little information about who I am and what's going to be on my channel. So I have my own business called Meraki Styles. I've been doing that for 9 years. We do braids and hairstyling and henna. And I meet people every single day who really struggle how to braid hair and style hair and do simple, quick, easy styles for each and every day on themselves and on others, on their kids. And so I thought I would create this channel to slow it down a little bit, explain how I do my braids, explain how to style the hair so that it's easy to understand, hopefully, and will get you through. I've also added in a little bit of my henna designs on there to teach you a little bit about how to do some henna designs, and also a few creations that I've done which might inspire you for your next festival or event. So if you would like to like and subscribe to my channel now, each week I'll be back with a new video and would love to see you there. So if you would like to keep expressing yourself and stay groovy, and I'll see you next week.